So, good morning, children. Today, understanding quadrilaterals, exercise 3.1, we are coming to seventh question. In seventh question, A bit is find x plus y plus z. This is the figure. So here this angle is 90 degrees and here it is x. This x and 90 degrees are at the same point and these two are called linear pair. That means x plus 90 is equal to 180, then x is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90. Otherwise also the angle at any point on a line is 180 degrees, so sum of these two angles is 180. If this is 90 means this is 90. Again here when you look here, z and 30, these two are angles at this point. Z plus 30 is equal to 180 degrees, then z is equal to 180 minus 30, 150. Otherwise orally you can do like this. The sum of z and 30 is 180, so 150 plus 30 is equal to 180. And this is exterior angle. We have exterior angle property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So y is equal to 90 plus 30 degrees, which is equal to 120 degrees. So now we got x is equal to 90 degrees, y is 120 degrees and z is equal to 150 degrees. Now you need to find x plus y plus z. So x is 90, y is 120 and z is 150. So sum of these three angles is equal to 90 plus 120 is 210, 210 plus 150 is equal to 360 degrees. Now we'll come to B bit. Find x plus y plus z plus w. This is the figure. Here nothing is given, so I have named this angle as T. So this is exterior angle, this is exterior angle and this is exterior angle, this is also exterior angle. So here exterior angles are x, y, z and w. Interior angles are 120 degrees, 80 degrees, 60 degrees and t degrees. Either interior angles or internal angles, both are same. Exterior angles or external angles, both are same. So, you know, sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. So, that means interior angles are t plus 60 plus 80 plus 120 is equal to 360 degrees. So, t plus 120 plus 80, 200 plus 60 is 260 is equal to 360 degrees. T is equal to 360. Take this 260 from left side to right side. It becomes plus 260 becomes minus 260. So 360 minus 260 is 100. So T is equal to 100. Now you got this interior angle. These two are angles at this point. This is 100 means this is 80. So these are linear pair. 100 plus 80 is 180. Otherwise t plus w is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. W is equal to 180 minus t, that is 180 minus 100, which is equal to 80 degrees. And again these two are linear pair. So 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. So x is 60 degrees. And again these two are linear pair. Y plus 80 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Y is equal to 180 minus 80, which is equal to 100 degrees. Otherwise also these two are angles at the same point. So sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. So 80 plus 100 is 180. Again z and 60 are angles at the same point. These are called linear pair. Z plus 60 is 180. So this is 120 plus 60 is 180. Otherwise you subtract this 60 from 180. You will get z is equal to 120 degrees. All this we did here. So now we need to find x plus y plus z plus w. So x plus y plus w plus z is x is 60 degrees, y is 100 degrees, w is 80 degrees and z is 120 degrees, which is equal to 360 degrees. Now we come to the next part. So next part is sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. You know, polygon means a closed figure made up of line segments. So polygon means the smallest polygon is triangle. It may be equilateral triangle, it may be scalene triangle or it may be isosceles triangle. A polygon means a closed figure made up of line segments. So sum of the measures of the external or exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So now we come to exercise 3.2. First question you have 2 bits. We do B bit now, A bit you do in homework notebook. So here you have to find this x value, exterior angle you have to find. So here this symbol, you know, it is of 90 degrees. Okay, And this symbol also, you know, it is also 90 degrees. Here how many exterior angles you have? You see 1, 2, 3, 4. So this exterior angle is 90 degrees, this exterior angle is 60 degrees, this exterior angle is 70 degrees, this exterior angle is x. Here interior angle is 90 degrees, here exterior angle you will have here. So here interior angle 90 means this exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degrees. So this is 90 means this is also 90. So now we will add all these exterior angles. So 60 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 70 degrees plus x plus 90 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So x plus 90 plus 60 is 150 plus 70 120 plus 30 90 plus 60 160 plus 60 220 plus 90 310, which is equal to 360. X is equal to 360. You bring 310 this side, you will get it will be minus 310 degrees, which is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 50 degrees. Now we will come to second question. Second question is find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides. We are given number of sides of a regular polygon n is equal to 15. Number of sides is represented by n. Already we have sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is sum of the exterior angles divided by number of sides, that is 360 divided by 15. 15 goes into 360 24 times. 15 2s are 30, 15 4s are 60. Next, third question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees? We are given an exterior angle is 24 degrees. And already we have sum of the external angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Therefore, number of sides of a polygon is equal to sum of the exterior angles divided by each exterior angle. So 360 degrees by 24 degrees. 24 goes into 360 15 times. Therefore, number of sides of a regular polygon is 15 degrees and each angle is 20 degrees. Now we come to fourth question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degrees? We are given interior angle. We know that sum of interior angle and exterior angle is 180 degrees. So to get exterior angle, we have to subtract this 165 degrees interior angle from 180. Therefore, each exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus 165 degrees, which is equal to 15 degrees. Already we have sum of the external angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Therefore, number of sides of a polygon is equal to sum of the external angles divided by each external angle, that is 360 degrees divided by 15 degrees, which is equal to 24 degrees. Now we come to fifth question, A bit. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22? So here what are we given? Each exterior angle. So each exterior angle is 22 degrees and already we have sum of the external angles of a polygon is 360. To get number of sides we have to divide sum of the external angles with each exterior angle. 360 degrees divided by 22. 2 goes into 360 180 times, 2 goes into 22 11 times. It is a fraction, but number of sides will be a whole number. So number of sides is not a whole number. Therefore, we cannot have an exterior angle of 22 degrees for any polygon. Now, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Now we have to check whether this 22 degrees will be an interior angle or not. Given interior angle is equal to 22 degrees. To get exterior angle, we have to subtract 22 degrees from 180 because sum of interior angle and exterior angle correspondingly is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 22 is 158. So how to find number of sides? Sum of all external angles is 360 divided by each external angle is 158 degrees. So 2 goes into 360 180 times, 2 goes into 158 79 times, which is not a whole number. Therefore, we cannot have any exterior angle as 158 degrees for a given regular polygon. Next, we come to sixth question. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon Y? So, a regular polygon with the least number of sides is a triangle. A polygon with the least number of sides is a triangle. In that, regular polygon is equilateral triangle. It is a polygon with 3 sides, and sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Therefore, the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degrees. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? So, a regular polygon with the least number of sides is equilateral triangle. Interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Sum of corresponding interior angle plus exterior angle is 180 degrees. So, exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is 120 degrees. Therefore, maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is equal to 120 degrees.